Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you exactly how to make online money with Appen platform in 2025, and it will be a step-by-step video even if you are a complete beginner. So Appen is a well-known platform that pays people to work on simple tasks like data entry, AI training, and search evaluations. If you have been working for a legit way to earn money from home, stick around. I will walk you through everything from sign up to getting paid. So here you can see we are landed in the Happen, and here you can see the link is crowdgen.com and crowdgen by Happen. So here we have new remote job. Find your ideal work from home feed gets alert for the latest remote job. Yes. And here actually we get an important message that beware of scams. We have recently learned that people offer help with creating accounts for other uncoordinated. These are all fundamental, and they will try to redirect your payments to their account. So you just need to be aware about this one. So you just need to note that codejan.com and app.codejan.com are the only two official websites operated by us, and information about project and opportunity from any other source is likely fraudulent. So Appen, like here you can say Appen Connect is now crowdfunded by Appen. But before that, you need to understand actually what is Appen. Appen is a global company that hires freelancers to work on projects that help improve artificial intelligence system. They pay you to do tasks like categorizing images, transcribing audio, rating search results, labeling data for AI training. The work is flexible. You can do it from anywhere as long as you have a computer and internet. So how you can create an account in Appen? It is really simple. You just need to go to crowdgen.com, and then you just need to click over here, sign into CodeGen. Just click over here, or you can click this one and you will land it in here. From that place, you just need to create your account, fill out your details, name, email, and locations, and then make sure you choose the right country because projects are often based on your location. You will also need to verify your email. Let me give you a tip that use a professional email and make sure your profile is complete to get more projects offers in here. So it is an mandatory thing. So I'm going to create an account in that place. That for reason I'll click over here, start here, and once I did, then it will redirect me here. So you can see there's a couple of work already have that AI translation simulations Bengali to English. You can with this work you can select your location. That I can say I will work at hybrid or remote, and then the location will be my country. That is it available? No, it is not available, so I can work with all. Then you can choose your desired one, and the work type independent contractor for project based. And then when you find your desired things, you just need to click on to the apply. Once you did, then you are able to apply for this job. You just need to read it properly. So you just need to be complete the profile. Like once you will see app and connected dashboard, here you will you need to fill out your profile, education, work experience, language skills, and technical skills. Appen matches you with project based on this information, so be honest but also highlight any relevant skill like typing speed, translations, or social media experience. So here you just need to click over here, and once you did, then you just will get this kind of an interface, and you just need to be provide all your information, attach your resume, CV, and then enter your job subscriptions. Like you just need to submit your applications in here. So now let's talk about how you can browse available project. So here you actually see all the process in here, like how you can go in here. You just need to be come over here jobs.labor.com and the Appen, and you will get your code like work in here. You just need to find it out which one is with like similar with your business or your skills, and then you just need to be choose that. Like here you can see in the social media, we can see social media evaluator Danish Denmark, social media evaluator Russian or Poland. Then here you can see authentic transactions Lithuanian, then phonetic transcriptions, Latvian. Here you can see machine translation evaluations. So you just need to be start work with one that you actually know about. Like here you can see e-commerce product data reviewer, Thai plus English. You can apply for that one. Then audio quality evaluations like Portuguese, German. Then audio recording project for non-native English speaker. Like here you just need to click that, and then here you will get to see this one. Like you just need to be read all the things like the descriptions. So here you can see that the job is available, that audio recording project for non-native English speaker, United States, AI trainers, domain expert, data collections, independent contract, project based remote. Join the crowdfunding team as an independent contractor for project Militia. If you're living in the US and English is your second language, you're exactly what looking for help build a smart and fair AI with your voice. Your participation is vital in detecting and preventing stereotypes and biases in AI models. Read and record 150 scripted English prompts using the Appen mobile app. Follow the proven instruction to ensure high quality recording. This is a one-time task that will only take approximately 2.5 hours to complete. Who can apply must be current resident of the United States and speak English as a second language, must be able to read English comfortably, must be comfortable reading some sentence that contain sensitive topics. For example, could be gender diversity, relationship, race, inequality, etc. Must be 18 years or older, must have an Android smartphone or iPhone, must be able to record in a quiet environment free from background noise. And the payment, the pay rate is $16 for a full complete and quality accepted session consisting of 150 recording. At least 90% of your session, 135 recording must pass quality rate to the eligible for proportional payment. Interesting, if you meet the qualification, you just need ready to join the project, and you just need to be applied here. Once you click over here, then it will redirect here, and you just need to be fulfill all the details they are asking for here. And you can see there is a register available, so you just need to be fulfill this field, must be. Once you fill it, then you just need to be click on submit application. Once you did, then the application apply, like the CV will be dropped for you in the Crowd10, and in this way you can start your work. It is an amazing platform to do your work with the Appen. So here you can see this is the appen.com also. So here you just need to create an account. You just need to click over here, join crowd, like join our crowd. You just need to click this one, and from that place you just need to create the account. Once you did, then you will get the dashboard in here. So it's really simple, you can do it. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.